late as fuck. Late as fuck, tuning his shit, but everything should be good. Set up to 3200. You ready? Dime, ¿quedaste feliz? Okay, you good? Everything straight? We just gotta figure out that little issue and that's it. But at the end of the day, it works. The only shit that we don't like is it stays on because we had a little issue because this car is not clutch. It's automatic. It has no. It's not standard. It's not 6-speed.
How much does this?
A what? You gonna buy you a what, nigga?
Yo te cobran, pero se me... Oye, entonces así te va a abrir.
Alright, so we're gonna go to the car meet. Let's figure that shit out. One time right here in the neighborhood. Oh my god. Do that shit again. Woo! Oh shit. Sound like you missed a gear. Nah, it's auto. Nigga, if they would have left room inside, like when I first got here, I could have drifted around this pole or that one, all of them. These niggas is stupid as fuck. Oh, he did get it. He told me he was gonna get one. He wasn't lying. He did say he was getting a Subi. I got you. Let me do it. It's not bad, right? I just did it today. I just did that shit today. He was like, I want my car to shoot flames. I'm like, all right, pull up to my house. That shit nice, huh? We just made it to the meet late as fuck. We're getting ready to leave though. Yo, the Camaro's loud. Loud as fuck. Hey, they really hooping today. This shit dead though. You ready to leave? I'm gonna go home. No, automático. Yeah, I know. Why you hit the brake that late though? Nice kid. Yeah, we gotta get the fuck up too.
Where we going, man? James? Y'all got the kids.
I'll see y'all there.